Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's continue with further topic of chapter number 6, animal classification. In that we are going to study about phylum Chordata, subphylum Urochordata, subphylum Cephalochordata and subphylum Vertebrata. So let's begin. Phylum Chordata म्हणजेच समपृष्ठरज्जू प्राणी संघ. These animals have supporting notochord in their body and all chordates are included in the same phylum. The phylum Chordata is classified into 3 subphyla. But what are the common characteristics of phylum Chordata? First one, notochord is present in the body during at least any developmental stage. म्हणजेच पृष्ठरज्जू त्यांच्यामध्ये असतं. Next point, pharyngeal gill slits are present in the body during at least any developmental stage. म्हणजेच ग्रसनी कल्ले pharyngeal gill slits याचा अर्थ. Then third, single tubular spinal cord is present on dorsal side of the body. स्पायनल कॉर्ड म्हणजेच तो पाठीचा कणा असेल आणि तो कुठल्या बाजूला असतो? पोटाच्या बाजूला असतो. सिंगल ट्युब्युलर स्पायनल कॉर्ड इज प्रेझेंट अँड हार्ट इज प्रेझेंट ऑन वेंट्रल साईड ऑफ द बॉडी. म्हणजेच हृदय कोणत्या दिशेला आहे? पोटाच्या बाजूला आहे, अदर बाजूस असं आपण त्याला म्हणूया. Now we are also going to take information about subphylum Urochordata. These are marine animals. Their body is covered by skin-like test or tunic. म्हणजेच हे सर्व प्राणी कुठे आढळतील? ते सर्व प्राणी सागर निवासी आहेत. And the body is covered with skin-like test or tunic. Tunic means hard covering. Now here which type of animals will be included under Urochordata? Herdmania, Dolium and Oikopleura. Now here in this pic you can see Herdmania. This is the pic of Herdmania. Next characteristics. Larvae of these animals are freely swimming and notochord is present in only tail region of larvae. Hence they are called as an Urochordata. Now here what is the meaning of notochord? It is a cartilaginous skeletal rod supporting the body in all stages of embryonic. So it is a cartilaginous skeletal rod that is known as notochord. Then larvae metamorphose into adults after settling down at the bottom of the sea. समुद्राच्या तळाशी किंवा नदी असेल त्याच्या तळाशी जाऊन ते लार्वा कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार आहे? ॲडल्टमध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार आहे. जनरली दिस ॲनिमल्स आर hermaphrodite. Now what is the meaning of hermaphrodite? Means having both the male reproductive organ also and female reproductive organ also. So both sex organs are present in the same animal and that will be called as an hermaphrodite. So already we had seen which type of examples: Herdmania, Dolium and Oikopleura. These are some of the examples which will come under Urochordata. Now we are going to study about subphylum Cephalochordata. Now Cephalochordata, these are the small fish-like marine animals. You can see the pic of Amphioxus. Amphioxus will come under Cephalochordata, and where they can be seen, they look like just like a fish and they are marine animals. Then second point, notochord is present throughout the body length. म्हणजेच पृष्ठरज्जू संपूर्ण त्यांच्या शरीरात उपलब्ध आहे. Pharynx is very large and contains gill slits. And these animals are unisexual, so they may be either male or they may be either female. Pharynx means ग्रसनी. ग्रसनी मोठी असून तिला कल्ले विदरे असतात. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण याचे वैशिष्ट्य इकडे जाणून घेतलेले आहे ॲम्फिऑक्सिसचे. नेक्स्ट इज सबफायलम वर्टिब्रेटा. Now in these animals we'll see some general characteristics of subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrata can be also called as an Craniata. In these animals notochord is replaced by vertebral column. म्हणजेच पृष्ठरज्जू जे आहेत ते नाहीसे होऊन त्याची जागा पाठीचा कणा त्याच्या ठिकाणी तयार होताना आपल्याला दिसतो. In these animals head is well developed, brain is protected by the cranium म्हणजेच मेंदू कवटीत संरक्षित असतो. एंडोस्केलेटन इज आयदर कार्टिलेजिनियस ऑर बोनी. अंतकंकाल हे कास्तिमय असू शकते म्हणजेच कार्टिलेजिनियस, किंवा अस्थिमय म्हणजेच बोनी असते. Now some chordates are jawless. मीन्स त्यांच्यामध्ये जबडा नसतो, तर काहींमध्ये जबडेसुद्धा असू शकतील. So some chordates are jawless whereas some are with jaws. So we had studied about the general characteristics of vertebrata. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much.